Hey guys, my name is Nikki. I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so I'm going to start a new video series on my channel called Today's To-Dos. It's going to be just like it sounds. I'm going to be taking you along with me through the day and just kind of walking you through my to-dos as I do them. It's going to be kind of vlog style. It's kind of cleaning. It's just really kind of a little bit of everything. It's just going to kind of depend on what I have to do that particular day. This week is spring break for us, and I don't know if you can tell how I sound, but I have been sick all week. It's been miserable. I have felt so bad for my kids that I have not felt well. Today is Thursday, and I'm finally feeling a little better, and my to-do list is a lot. And it wouldn't be so bad, but we also are having friends over today, which we're super excited about. So I've got to kind of work things around that. The other thing is I woke up really late, because like I mentioned, I haven't felt well, I haven't been sleeping well. So this morning I was actually able to sleep in, which was wonderful. It felt really good. I definitely needed that rest because I haven't been sleeping at night. That's not what this video is about. But anyway, I am off to a late start, so I've got a lot to tackle, but I'm also going to be okay if I don't get everything done, because like I said, it's just been kind of a weird week. Got a lot going on today, and if I don't get to it all, I just don't get to it all. But I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm attempting to do today. Our friends are coming over like after lunch, and they'll just be here, you know, for a few hours or whatever. So then I will definitely have things I have to do before they get here, and then things after they leave. So let me flip the camera around. So here is a look at my list. I've got my must do today, my important times, other to-dos, which are all of the things that I'm going to try to show you in this video. Right now before lunch, I've got some things I need to take to the mailbox. I'm going to go mail those. I'm going to head to Sam's. My Walmart pickup isn't until 5 o'clock this afternoon. I think I'm actually going to skip Target today because I realize there's actually only one thing that I need from there, and I don't have to have it today. So I'm going to save myself a little bit of time there. And then I've got all of these things to do. Some of them will happen before our friends get here. Some will be later in the evening. But before we leave to go run errands, I am going to get the boys' sheets in the washing machine. One of the boys had a scraped knee and it busted, and so they got blood all over their sheets. So I'm going to work on getting the blood out of the sheets so that I can get those washed before we head out, so that when we get back they'll be ready to put in the dryer. Alright, so sheets are in the washing machine. We're ready to go. I'm going to head to Sam's. That's really all I'm going to have time for. I only need a few things from Sam's, but I want to go ahead and get it done. I've got my little list here. I'm also going to be putting this stuff in the mail while I'm gone that I need to. So I'll check back in with you guys when we get back from Sam's. Alright guys, so we just got back from Sam's, and my husband called and said he's on his way home for lunch. So I don't have nearly as much time to get a few things done as I thought I did, but that's okay. As soon as I walked in the door, I was able to switch the boys' clothes to the dryer, their sheets to the dryer, and then I went ahead and put in a load of colors. So now I can mark a few things off my list, but now I got to switch gears and get lunch ready. Alright, so we just got done lunch, and I finally feel like I can breathe a little bit now. Ever since I got up, it's just been go, 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 and I felt like the beginning of this video was super rushed. I didn't really feel like I got to actually tell you what was on my to-do list today, which is kind of funny. But the things that I need to do for my actual cleaning task for today, I need to vacuum upstairs, I need to vacuum downstairs, and then I also need to mop all my tile floors. except the bathrooms. I've already done the bathrooms. I have decided though that since my house is about to be full of boys, there's no reason for me to do this right now because I know that they're going to be in and out. So I will either do this evening, like after dinner, or I may just wait till tomorrow just because real life, I just don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to fit in since they're going to be here all afternoon. And then the other thing is I need to wash the sheets on our bed. I didn't do that Tuesday. I still feel like I'll get that in, but right now I need to just go make my bed since we have people coming over. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it before they come. And then I've also got one load of colors to do, which those are in the washing machine right now. And then I need to get groceries put away, but that won't be until I actually go get groceries. So right now, the things that I need to do that are not on my actual list, I need to just kind of go through the house and tidy up. I need to make my bed and open the blinds because I did not do that this morning. I need to just kind of give my bathroom like a really quick wipe down, and then I need to finish cleaning up in the kitchen after lunch. And then I need to go just do like a quick tidy in the living room. I don't remember what it looks like, but it seems like there's some blankets and pillows and stuff laying around. So I'm gonna go get that done. That I totally had enough time to strip the bed down, so that's one more thing that I can get knocked off my list. Is nice and fresh for guests, so I just took a paper towel and sprayed some Method Antibac on there, and I'm just going to do a quick wipe down of the toilet. Then when I move into the actual bathroom, I'm going to use my e-cloths because I can just use water. So I'm going to change out the hand towel, then I'm going to wipe down my counters, wipe down the sink and faucet so that everything is nice and clean, disinfected, and ready to go. One of the things that I really like about my e-cloths is that I can rinse them out with hot water, and then I can hang them up to dry so that they are ready to go for the next time that I want to use them. I typically wash them about once a week in the washing machine. In the kitchen, I don't have a ton to do. I just kind of need to give it a good once over. I noticed there were a few dishes left in the sink from lunch, so I'm going to take care of those. I'm just going to make sure everything is put away, and then I'm going to give my counters a quick wipe down. In the living room, I just need to do the usual, fluff the cushions on the couch, put the pillows back where they go, put the blankets where they go, stuff like that. Not a big deal. I see remotes that need to be put in their place, all those kind of things. I will tell you that since we have rearranged this living room, it is so nice how bright it is in here. We are enjoying it so much. As you can see, Tucker is ready to play. He's got this little toy that he likes to go fetch, so I'm going to take a few minutes to play with him. I'm pretty sure he could do this all day. All right, so our friends are going to be here in about 10 minutes, but the dryer just beeped, so I went and got these clothes out of the dryer and switched the sheets to the dryer. So I'm going to fold these so I'll be able to mark a couple more things off of my list. Alright guys, so here we are like 4 hours later. We had an awesome visit with our friends. My husband called while my friends were here, and then I had to leave to go pick him up. So everything was kind of crazy. I wasn't able to get the camera back out, but I did stop and get my groceries. So right now I'm getting ready to pick groceries up. And then I'm going to look at my list. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to quit for today. I'm not feeling 100% still, and I don't feel like I need to just keep pushing it. So I think tonight I'm going to choose to just forget the to-do list and enjoy my family. And it's definitely okay to do that. All right, so let me go get these groceries put away. I've got a kitchen full of groceries to put away. They're just kind of all out on the counter. I took everything out of the bags first so that they would be a little bit easier to put away. And then here in just a second, you can see that everything is all put away. This stack right here on the floor that I'm pointing to, those are things that my kids will put away when they come back in from playing outside. Had a couple things left, but it's pretty much all put up now. Alright guys, so like you just saw, I got all the groceries put away. I did not get to vacuum and mop today. Like I said, I am just going to save it for another day. I'm going to enjoy my family the rest of the evening. I need to get dinner going. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's to-dos. I am not going to finish my list. I'm going to have to save the vacuuming and mopping for another day, but that's okay because we had a blast with friends this afternoon. I got some major things done that I wanted to, which is grocery shopping and beds done, things like that. Some days you just can't do it all, and that is okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.